Here I have Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So what you have to do is to take this tool and insert it into the hole on the slot, slightly press it and the slot will pop out. So here you can insert your SD card and here you can insert your SIM card. Then you put the slot inside just like this, and as you can see it indicates that issues with SD card, which indicates that SD card is detected, and there's also must be some pop-up menu with SIM manager, which indicates that SIM card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.